Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So guys, if you need a certain software that can help you to create the animation or the 2D animation, and if it's for free, don't worry guys, because it exists. So you can start to visit this krita.org, and you don't need to do the login first with your email or create the account, because this is 100% for free, and you can click download. And for the installation, also super simple. You don't need to input the secret number or the code. You can just follow the instruction, and after that this will be the Krita software that can be ready to use now. So you can click this file and open, or the new, and you'll see here for the predefined you can create, let's say, the design or 2D design in this paper from this A1 into the US tabloid, and also the orientation and the measurement here, and you can give the name of your project and change the color. There are a lot of options, and you can continue to click create. And after that, if you'd like to create the animation, so make sure this animation timeline and curves already exist here. And if you don't see it yet, don't worry, because you can go to this window and go to this workspace and click this animation, and these two tools gonna be shown down here. And you can also add some tools like the brush preset, palette, tool, layer by clicking this setting and go to this dockers, and you'll see, for example, this brush presets is activated and show over here. And if you'd like to create your very first time animation, and for example you can create it from this eclipse, create it like this. And if you don't see the color, don't worry, because you need to see the color is the white. So you can make sure that the color has already chosen first. For example, I will choose this one, and after that you can start to draw the shape like this. And don't worry, because you can also move this object by clicking this transform a layer or selection tool, and let's say you can move it here wherever you want. And for example, I would like to create the animation. For example, I will start it here, and I will put the keyframe by clicking this section and give the right click, create blank frame. And for example, I will start to go to this section. If you create the blank frame, so the shape gonna be gone. And if you'd like to create the steady or consistent shape, so I prefer to copy it here, copy it and paste it in this section. Paste it, and after that I will select it. Let's say I will move it here, and after that I will copy this again and paste it here, and move this object and copy this again. And you can do this until the point of the stop point of your animation. Paste. For example, I will move here, copy it, paste it, then copy it again, paste it, copy, and paste it like this. And I will also go to this section and start time and set end time. And after that, you can click this keyframe and start to play it. Or you can also click this section and drag it until the first second of the animation and click play. So this will be the animation you have now. So don't forget to try this Krita to create your animation, and I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.